After the fire incident that took place on the 29th, arising from the visit of His Excellency, I was on that trip, and we got there to assess the extent of damage. But beyond that, His Excellency also commissioned consultants who went into the structure and came up with an advice that it was no longer habitable and not very conducive for business. On the strength of that advice, the government had decided to demolish that structure and also provide a befitting place for members of parliament to transact their business.
Can you confirm that work will commence to put the place in order after now?
Well, the rapidity at which we commence today will tell you that we're prepared to do it. And within record time, I'm sure that place will be fit for legislative business.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.